Oh no. I think I didn't record that. Okay, so.
Whole thing?
Yeah. Okay, so if you will take a look at this snake, it says right here, I make a snake sound. Squeeze me. I make a snake sound. Okay, listen to this. Does that sound like a snake? No, it sounds like maybe a bird or something.
Could be a bird or your car window rolling down.
Windshield wipers, maybe?
Windshield wipers?
Yeah, whatever it is, I would say not a snake. I think they should mark it down so that it is not $27.99 because that's defective right there. I've never heard a snake say that, but I'm no snake expert, so there you go.